In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete subdomain in GoDaddy. If you've set up a subdomain that you no longer need, maybe something like blog.yourdomain.com or shop.yourdomain.com, the process to remove it is quick when you know where to look. In this walkthrough, we'll delete the subdomain forwarding entry in your GoDaddy DNS settings, which stops that subdomain from redirecting anywhere else. Start by opening your browser, going to Google, and typing GoDaddy. Click the official GoDaddy website in the search results. Sign in to your account as you normally would. Once you're in, look to the top right corner and click your username to open the account menu. Make sure you're in the account that actually owns the domain you want to edit. From the account menu, click My Products. This takes you to a dashboard that lists all of your domains and services. Find the domain that contains the subdomain you want to remove. For example, if you're trying to remove blog.example.com, you'll select example.com here. Take a moment to double-check you're picking the correct domain before making changes. With the domain selected, click DNS to open the DNS management page. This is where your domain's records and forwarding settings live. We're not editing A records or C names in this process. We're going straight to forwarding to remove the subdomain redirect. On the DNS management page, locate the forwarding section. It's typically toward the lower part of the page. Click Forwarding to expand it. You'll see entries for domain forwarding and, importantly, subdomain forwarding. We'll focus on the subdomain forwarding area. Find the specific subdomain you want to delete in that list. Look at the subdomain prefix and the destination it points to, so you're certain you're removing the right one. If you have several entries, matching the exact subdomain name helps prevent mistakes. Next, click the trash bin icon next to that subdomain forwarding entry. This is the control that removes the forwarding configuration for that subdomain. When prompted, click Delete to confirm. Once deleted, the subdomain will no longer redirect visitors. Changes usually update quickly, but depending on caching and DNS, it can take a short while to fully reflect everywhere. That's all there is to it. You went from signing in to opening My Products, choosing your domain, heading into DNS, opening forwarding, selecting the right subdomain, and confirming the deletion. If you ever need to set it up again later, you can return to the same forwarding section to add a new subdomain forwarding entry. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you clean up your domain settings with confidence.